Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. And again this week I've got our school captains who are here to assist me deliver the principal's report. Well, my first message is to congratulate our students in year 3 and 5. Outstanding effort as you participated in the NAPLAN, the assessments during the past 2 weeks. I would like to say a really big thank you to teachers who have provided that support in the learning spaces, and a very big thank you to Mrs. Wrigley who's completed all the administration to ensure that our students are able to participate in NAPLAN seamlessly. So a big thank you, Mrs. Wrigley. My next point is just a reminder, children, lots of excited children. We've got 2 camps coming up next week. We have the Year 4 City Camp, which heads off on Monday, and I'll be meeting the students at the station to farewell them. And we also have the Year 5 camp who are heading down to CYC at Phillip Island. So I certainly look forward to hearing about all your exciting adventures when you return. My next message is for parents, and that is if you have children at home or you have neighbours or friends who have children that will be commencing school next year and they live within our approved neighbourhood school boundary, could we ask you to contact the school please and commence that enrolment process, because it's just vital that we can plan and prepare and know exactly how many students we'll have at the school next year. Well children, school captains, my highlight of the week was to be able to present a school tour with some prospective parents whose children will be starting in year prep next year. And I was absolutely honoured to be able to walk those parents around the school and see the fantastic things that are going on in the school, all the teaching and learning, all the happy children, to be able to share all the amazing achievements and the things we have to offer at Cranbourne East Primary School. So certainly yes, highlight of my week was to be able to showcase the school.
So my highlight was because last week we addressed that the ball games in the Agora is a tiny problem and we should improve. So this week there was big improvements and I could only find about 2 people the whole week playing on the Agora, and when I told them to please play somewhere else, they listened straight away.
Well, that's absolutely fantastic to see our students are doing the right thing at school. Congratulations children. Really.
My highlight of the week was the Year 6 sports. Everybody participated and contributed, and it was amazing to see everybody play their sport.
Okay, thank you. And I'd just like to wish everybody a fantastic weekend. Stay safe, keep warm, keep dry, do lots of reading, and I look forward to seeing you back at school next week. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon everybody, it's Mr. Music here and I'm here to introduce our brand new award here at Cranbourne East Primary School, which is our Values Award. The Values Award is one of the most prestigious awards that you can receive here at the school, and it represents our 5 values of responsibility, respect, relationships, resilience, and rigour. So without further ado, we'd like to introduce our first award winner. Thanks everyone.
Hi, I'm Upraj,
Hi, I'm Selena.
and I want to tell you about one of the most best performances I've ever seen of respect and responsibility on our school grounds, which goes to Savannah Kalea. I want to give this to her for the brilliant display of responsibility and respect when I was peer mediating. And I advise everyone to follow her, as she is the first one to ever receive a certificate like this. This is yours.
Thank you.
Nice. High five.
Hi, we'd like to talk to you about the job of the peer mediators in the playground.
We are here to help you with any problems you face outside so that you can have a happy and safe playtime.
We want to promote help seeking as a strategy to help you solve problems. By seeking help, you are taking responsibility for your own well-being and practicing a great habit for when you have problems in the future.
Make sure to look out for the peer mediators who are wearing these green vests and holding clipboards. We can help you sort out things like arguments and friendship issues instead of having to go to a teacher.
We are all very friendly and are happy to help you.
Hope to see you around the yard soon.
Bye.
riddle time again. Sorry, I missed last week, but I'm back this week. Are you ready? If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I? 10 seconds thinking time. I'll give you 2 extra seconds this week and see if you can work out the answer. Alright, if you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I? A promise. And we know how important it is to keep your promises. I hope you all have a wonderful week and I'll see you all again soon.